Hey guys, it's me again, taking my coffee. Before going to work, I just checked my mailbox and I found that I have what do you call it? Package or call it parcel that was stuck in there. So we're gonna unbox what's in here. I think this is my Pokemon card that I ordered from Target. So we'll see what's inside. Okay. It's kind of hard to open. I will rip it. Oh my. It's double. And it seems like heavy. It's hard to open. I have to rip this one like this. Okay. There it is. Oh. So this is what I got from the mail that I ordered from Target. So let's see. Oh, this is TCG card again, and I have, what is this one? Temporal Forces. I have another Temporal Forces. I have another Temporal Forces here. Another Temporal Forces, another Temporal Forces. I guess that's all. There's a Temporal Forces. Another one is Temporal Forces again. Temporal Forces. So I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs of this one. 8 packs of Pokemon card. So I'm gonna open this, but not now, because in a few minutes I'll be going to my workplace. So keep on watching on me and follow my YouTube channel, my Facebook, and my TikTok account. Bye.